Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of s. If we have s square plus s divided by s is equals to 9 and we solve this problem for all the values of s. So first we need to find all the roots of this equation and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution or which of the roots are extraneous root. Further, we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now here in the first method, we need to move this s to the right hand side. It is divided by left hand side. When we move it into the right hand side, it is multiplied by this 9. And it will be written as s square plus s is equals to 9 times of s. And further in the next step we need to move here this 9s from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will be written as s square plus s. This is plus s becomes here minus 9s, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as this is s square and this is s minus 9s. These are the two like terms. It means that here we need to subtract the coefficients of these two terms. So the coefficient of this term is 1 and the coefficient of this term is minus 9, and when we subtract it here it will becomes minus 8s is equals to 0. And now you see here both of these two terms involve s, so that when we take common s from here we get the remaining values are from here we get s only, and from here we get 8 only, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now in the next step we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write s is equals to 0, and the second case is we write s minus 8 is equals to 0. So this is our first root of the given equation, and from here we get the second root. So we move this minus 8 to the right hand side, so it will become here plus 8. So this is the second root of the given equation. So here we get these are the two roots of the given equation. So further in the next step we need to verify that is these two roots are solution of given equation or is these two roots are extraneous root. So here for verification we need to copy down given question statement here, and it is s square plus s divided by s is equals to 9. This is our given question statement, and in this side we will be verify s is equals to 0, and in this side we will be verify s is equals to 8. So here we verify both of these two roots, and now here first we need to focus on s is equals to 0. So when we substitute s is equals to 0 into the left hand side, it will be written as this will become here 0 square plus 0 divided by 0 is equals to 9 or not. This is our claim. So you know about that 0 square becomes 0 plus 0 divided by 0, and here we check that is this equals to 9 or not. And 0 plus 0 becomes here 0 over 0 form is equals to 9. And here you clearly see about the left hand side is that the left hand side is 0 over 0 form, and usually we will call that it is the indeterminate form. So if our left hand side is indeterminate form, or in other words we just say that it is undefined form. So if our left hand side is undefined form, it means that the value of s is equals to 0 is not satisfied our given question statement. So we say that s is equals to 0 be the extraneous root of the given equation. Okay, so this is the extraneous root, and now here we move towards our second root. So that our second root is s is equals to 8, and now we substitute s is equals to 8 into the left hand side, and it will be written as 8 square plus 8 divided by 8 is equals to 9 or not. This is the our claim in the second root. Okay, so here you see that this is 8 square, and 8 square becomes 64 plus 8 divided by 8, and we check that is this equals to 9 or not. And further you see here 64 plus 8 becomes here 72 divided by 8 is equals to 9 or not. And you see here this is 8 times 9 becomes 72, and you easily see that we have 9 is equals to 9. So you see that both of the sides are equal. Now when we choose s is equals to 8, this means that s is equals to 8 be the solution of the given equation. So now here we conclude about the solution set of this question, and the solution set is that we get here s is equals to 8. So s is equals to 8 be the only one solution of the given equation which we get here from first method. And now we move towards our second method. And in second method we need to copy down given question statement here, so that our given question statement is s square plus s divided by s is equals to 9. This is the our given question statement. And now here I can give you another technique in which you can easily get the roots of this equation. So here in this method we need to break this fraction, and we write this s separately on both of these values, and it will be written as s square divided by s plus this is s divided by s is equals to 9. And now here we use the nice exponential law. So you know about that. If we have a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m minus n. So according to this rule, you see here the exponent of this is 1, so that we need to move this one to the upsides, and it will be written as s to the power of 2 minus 1, and plus in this case the exponent of both of these two terms is 1, so it will becomes s to the power of 1 minus 1 is equals to 9. So after that you see here we get s to the power of 2 minus 1 becomes 1, and s to the power of 1 minus 1 becomes 0, and this is equals to 9. So we know about that when we have something number whose exponent is 0 is equals to 1, so you get here s plus 1 is equals to 9. And further in the next step, in order to get the root of this equation, we move this plus 1 to the right hand side, and it will be written as s is equals to 9 minus 1. So here we easily get the value of s is equals to 9 minus 1 becomes here 8. So in the second method we get here the value of s is equals to 8, but in the first method we already verified that this value of s is already satisfied our given question statement, so that our solution set in second method is also a s is equals to 8. So from both of these two methods we will get here the same solution set, and this is our final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.